You know what I mean? We're walking in right now. This is my survival kit. I have food, I have a pee bottle, I have drinks, I have everything I need to survive for not 5 hours, not 10 hours, but for days. All right, we're walking in right now. They are live shooting right now, so we have to be extremely careful. Please don't turn around. Inside the bush. Jimmy and the contestants are literally right over there.
Exactly.
Oh, really? You're friends with them?
We both
Yeah.
want to make it through, yeah.
The problem is the cameras can't even see me right now, so I'm gonna move as close to the contestants as possible.
Technically, this is a compliment. No one thought they could beat you.
All right, let me give you a tour. I have AC over here. I have this monitor which shows me the outside of the bush so I can watch everyone else. Battery packs on battery packs on battery packs.
Team got betrayed, and we're about to have our revenge arc, so.
We also have the most important part. I know it's gross. This is what it takes to do this for real.